Training Module, Large Volume Infusion Pump Setup. Before use, please refer to the Novum IQ Large Volume Infusion Pump Operator's Manual to review all cautions and warnings. Baxter Novum IQ LVP is a large volume infusion pump. On the front of the Novum IQ LVP with the door closed, we see slide clamp keyhole, alphanumeric keypad, beacon indicator light, display. On the side of the Novum IQ LVP, we see finger grips, USB port. On the rear of the Novum IQ LVP, we see AC power connector, a port that provides power and will also be used for future enhancements. Pole clamp adapter, pole clamp. Mounting the Novum IQ LVP on an IV pole. Before mounting the Novum IQ LVP, verify the following. Use stable poles. Do not mount the Novum IQ LVP on an IV pole that is not stable. Confirm the Baxter logo is right side up. Failure to orient the pump properly during operation can cause the device to malfunction. Ensure that the pump height allows you to see and interact with it. When mounting a single pump, the mounting height should never exceed 132 centimeters or 52 inches from the floor to the center of the pump. The pump should be 46 to 56 centimeters or 18 to 22 inches below the top of the fluid line. When mounting multiple pumps, the maximum number of pumps on an IV pole should never exceed 6. With multiple pumps, the mounting height on an IV pole should never exceed 122 centimeters or 48 inches from the floor to the center of the top pump. The center of the top pump should be 46 to 56 centimeters or 18 to 22 inches below the top of the fluid line. The center of the bottom pump should never exceed 127 centimeters or 50 inches below the top of the fluid line. Note: when stacking pumps on an IV pole, the distance between each pump is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches when the upper pump is resting on a spacer. To mount the Novum IQ LVP, grip the front of the pump and hold it in a level position. Avoid only using the door to hold the pump. Turn the mounting knob counterclockwise to open the pole clamp. The Baxter logo should be right side up. Adjust the position of the Novum IQ LVP on the pole so you can view the screen and keypad on the front of the pump within 1 meter or 39 inches of the device. Hold the pump and position the IV pole in the middle of the open pole clamp. Turn the mounting knob clockwise to tighten the clamp to the pole. Note: when stacking with other approved Baxter pumps, make sure the upper pump is resting on the spacer to provide adequate clearance. Failure to secure the Novum IQ LVP can result in potential injury to the user or to the patient, damage to the equipment, and possible interruption in therapy if the pump becomes dislodged and falls. Before transport, ensure secure mounting of the Novum IQ LVP to a stable IV pole. Use stable IV poles with a 6-wheel base greater than or equal to 61 centimeters or 24 inches in diameter. Hold the IV pole to provide stability and prevent tipping when transporting on inclines. At the maximum capacity, do not push the IV pole at a height greater than 80 centimeters or 31.5 inches from the ground. Pushing above this height may result in tipping.